around the pond. Alrighty. Back to the honey hole. Gonna start with the Mepps rooster tail. Number 2, brown color. There he is. Little bass, Wyatt. Rooster tail. Bass. Mepps rooster tail, number 2. You got one, Wyatt? What'd you get it on? Rooster tail? Are you using a 1/8 or a 1/6? We got another bass here. They love these rooster tails. He just caught a green sunfish down there on one. And like I said, I've always been a Mepps guy. Wardens are good, but Mepps are my milk and honey. Look at that sun. There he is right there. See what we got here? Green sunfish. Oh, it came off. Nice. There he is. Got one. Green sunfish. Look at that. Green sunfish. Pop it. Little hit there. Yep. Got him. Fish on. Green sunfish. That's the thing with these treble hooks, man. They can be a pain to get out. This little guy. Let me get my pliers out here and get them on hand. Set those right there. Alrighty. Let's keep working with this rooster tail. Had a hit there. I think last time I was using a number 1 size. I was out here just last week in that last video. I'm using a number 2 size this time. Man. Yep, I saw him hit that right on top of that little bank over there. Ah, come on now. Little bass. Hit there. There he is. Get a bass. Pliers. Making it hard on myself. All right. Little bass. There he is. That's a better one. Wow, I foul hooked that thing. Look, oh wow. How did that happen? That's a green sunfish. Man, this is gonna be... Okay. That was a serious foul hook. I've never foul hooked one like that before. I usually foul hook them in the lip if I do, but that one was right in the body. There he is. Let's see what we got here. Little bass. Beautiful hook set. Nice. These fish don't have to be very big at all, even on these number 2 MEPs. Getting ready to try a wacky worm out here. But this thing just keeps working so good. That's a green sunfish. Or no, that's a bass. Hey, did you do that on the Wyatt? Decent?
Yeah, I want to see if I can't fish this little log over here.
Green sunfish? No, what are you catching down there? The rooster tail? All right, I'm gonna go for this wacky worm now. Just like that. I bet he fought pretty good. Hitting it. Oh yeah. There he is. Ooh, look at that hook set. They are going after this flick shake. They're bass. Man, these hook sets. Back on with the rooster tail. Hit there. Little bass. Back on with the rooster tail. There he is. That's a green sunny. Woo. That's a big one. Wow. Wyatt, this thing is huge. Look at this thing. My gosh. Hand reference. Look at the mouth. That is a ferocious beast. What? Yeah, Wyatt, I've been doing better with the rooster tail.
It's like one. Oh, fuck, dude.
Although I was catching a lot of the bass on the finesse. I don't know if I even got a green sunfish on the finesse or not. There he is. Ooh, it's another big green sunfish. Not as big as the last one, but he's still good size. See what?
Just keep attacking it. Look.
Had a hit there. Another hit there.
There we are.
Ooh, nice, Wyatt. It's a nice little bass. I got weeds on that one. Back over here on the dam side of the pond. Going with the wacky wig flick shake. There he is. Little bass. That's what I'm using right here, right now. Just a nice little wacky rig. That blue, purplish color. I forget what it's called. There he is. Oh! The one thing with these wacky hooks, Wyatt, not the best hook setters. That was a decent little bass there. Got him all the way up to the kayak here and he got off. Man, they are tearing up this flick shake. This is a little bit different of a color here. Small little bass. Just like that. Nice. Rooster? There's one right there. Got one. The bite's coming on. I'm killing him on this little wacky rig flick shake.
All right.
I'm gonna give this rooster tail another ring. There he is. Green sunfish.
What color are you using?
Oh, I'm on the rooster tail right now. But man, I didn't have much luck with the Cincos at all. I switched it up, but the flick shakes was killing them. That's a big one. In comparison, look at that. Man. Hit. Come here. Another good sized green sunfish. There he is. Right up against that bank. Whew. Ferocious little guys. I'm telling you. Look at these things. I'd like to catch one of this ribbit frog here. There he is. On the ribbit, top water. No. Okay. What? This one's not bad. This is my biggest today so far. On the ribbit top water. The baby ribbit junior, as it is.
That's what made the difference.
That's what made the difference. Red hook. Yeah, I was thinking, I was like, well, I'm hearing a lot of frogs out here. I think I could throw one, but I need to throw a small one. I mean, yeah, you could throw a full size, but the fish are just a little small out here for that. Come on, right there. Come on. Give me a big bass. Give me a big bass. I want to catch me one good bass, Wyatt. Just one good one. Pass on with the frog. I didn't get this one on camera, but I got him right off that bank over there. Little ribbit frog. Man, I wish I would have got that one. There he is. Caught him right there off that little bank. That's the second bass tonight off this Ribbit Junior.